I learned this trick at a famous restaurant. This is the tastiest chicken drumsticks I've ever eaten. Start by sticking toothpicks into 6 chicken drumsticks. Stick them all around the chicken drumsticks. Then place these drumsticks in a large saucepan filled with boiling water over medium heat and let them cook for 10 minutes. This is the right point. Now remove them from the water. Remove all the toothpicks and the skin from the chicken. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then transfer them to a large bowl. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 3 crushed garlic cloves, a drizzle of olive oil, and mix everything together very well to incorporate the seasoning. This is the right mix. Now evenly coat all the chicken drumsticks in panko or breadcrumbs. They should look like this. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. After that, fry them until golden brown in a large pan with hot vegetable oil over medium to low heat. This is the right point. Remove them from the hot oil and soak up the excess fat on a plate lined with paper towels. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. That recipe is ready. You may now serve it with a sauce of your choice and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.